play some random apps that I found in the App Store. I don't know why I'm playing this, but just look pretty fun. So first we're gonna play this Timberman. Oh yeah, and if you could hear my cousin like playing his game in the background, I'm really sorry. So this is like 98. I don't know. Oh gosh, no. The point is to cut down the tree without touching the branches. And there's that red bar, and you try not to stop. Oh god, no. No! I thought it was doing pretty good. Holy crap, no, oh, I was doing so good, man. Oh no. Come on. My goal is to make it to 100 and then I'll go to the next game now. No! This game is really similar to like Flappy Bird. I am serious. I love how this tree is like infinitely tall. I don't know why. God dang it. No, doing so bad now. At the beginning I was like doing super good. Oh my god. No. Oh. Okay, that's it, I guess. Yeah, one more try. Oh, that's it. So show the balance of the shop. Okay. This music is loud. Oh no, I'm gonna turn down this music. Oh gosh. Okay. We'll just have to play with this loud music. Can I? Okay, continue. Oh no! Ah! No, don't fall. Oh! Ah! Dude. Oh my god, this game looks really hard. No. No! No! Oh no! Oh, I gotta stay in here for like 20 more seconds. Oh no. Music is getting intense. Ah! Oh no. Stop looking at me that way, Steven. Oh no. Don't follow me now. Why is he on a cliff in the middle of the ocean anyways? This doesn't make any sense. Oh god. No, double arrow. Why did the bald eagles in like the sea? Oh no. I was 4 seconds off. Oh god. Okay. Relax. Woo! Okay. Concentration mode activated. Oh no! Yes! Challenge mastered. Oh god. Is it gonna like they cut off my leg or something. Oh, oh! Dude, what more monk buddies? You don't have to. Why are you trying to kill me? No! 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 You cut off my leg! Oh, oh. Oh! Come on. We're both monks. We can work something out here, right? We're Shaolin monks. No! Why are you cutting my leg? Oh, 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 no, oh, no, oh, no. Don't die me now. Why? Oh, no. Shit. Go. So how do you tap? It's not even. No! No! I think that was the closest I've ever been. Oh, that was close. Okay. Stand still. No, no. Wow! So close. So freaking close! Yay! High five! Yes. Okay, guys. That's probably gonna end the video right now. Comment, like, and subscribe if you want more of one of these two games. Like, one of these two, okay? So, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!